Hey guys, welcome back to Not My YouTube Channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm here with my good friend.
Hi.
Hi! And today we are going to be doing a
Fidget haul.
fidget haul. Scoot over here. Scoot over here. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. That's a little better. You're taller than me, so I have to put this
I'm not
on.
tall.
I'm not tall either. Okay, anyways, we're going to be doing a fidget haul of what she has. So we're going to start on
I'm
what...
addicted.
Yeah, apparently. We're going to start on what she just got today. So, let's go ahead. I'll hold these two things. And you can have these two things. You start.
I got a color changing needle, which I'm gonna destroy now.
She's opening it. We're going to do a thing.
In the meantime, I love it so much.
Yes.
Yay!
Yeah.
This is before fidgets became a thing. I liked these the most until it kind of broke, and my brother might have gone to the hospital because it got in his eye. But besides that,
Don't mind me.
I'm sorry, I'm weak. Even though I'm a pitcher slash catcher.
Yeah.
It's confusing.
I'm an awesome hitter.
Aw, thanks.
Girl, you think I'm way better than me. Ooh, what's this? Is this water?
No, it's not.
What is it?
I don't know, but it ain't water.
Is it Sprite?
No. No.
Why'd you get it again? It exploded.
I just like them.
Wow. Alright, my turn. My
Jiggly.
turn. Alright, y'all. We got some. I
You
think
like
these are
them?
called monkey noodles.
Yes.
Yes, monkey noodles. This one is a unicorn. And it's got me saying so I'm very like this one.
I gave my brother my cat one.
Yes. We have a little caterpillar.
See? See?
I think that's what it is.
Yeah, I hope.
And then we stretch.
Oh god.
Yeah.
I'm addicted.
Alright guys, and now we are going to move on to the homemade fidgets. We are back. And now we are doing the homemade fidgets.
That's not homemade.
And choose this one. I'll do this one.
I'm addicted.
She is addicted, guys.
My parents won't buy me anymore. I have an Orby washer
Orby washer.
with some sparkles and a mochi in it.
And
I have a shaker with Orbeez and sparkles in it.
Orbeez and sparkles. Oh, is this like a night container?
Yeah.
I
Found it on the
those.
road. At the field. That means Shelby went back there. Okay, so besides that, crappy stress balls. And I made my own
Oh.
snakes. I like them. I like them a lot. They're my favorite.
Oh, and we have this little thingamabob. It's like a
And I have like 72 mochis, so we'll do that last because they're in the garage right now.
and it's so good, guys. Like, I want to keep this for myself, but it's horrible.
No.
It's literally like my favorite sign in the world. And like, it's so good. Did you get it again?
From a stress ball.
Stress ball. That was not homemade, but now we call it homemade because,
I put it in a container, okay? That's enough.
yeah. Alright. What's next? Just regular...
My poppets.
Okay, all poppets. We'll do poppets.
Yeah, this will be fun.
Okay, we're back. We got the poppet.
Wait,
we got
just
the
keep,
goods.
just keep this in mind. I did say I'm addicted.
Okay. So,
Anyways, we got one of my favorites.
this is a food.
It doesn't sound like anything at first.
Like, on the bad side, it doesn't sound like anything. Like, you can't even hear anything else. Well, I just lied. I really ate something, and I'm thirsty.
Alright, you ready? This is the other side. I just love it, okay? And
All right.
I have my very first jumbo poppet. If y'all want Okay, if y'all want to buy it, it's closest to Academy near Fleming Island for $8 at Marshall's. The Marshall's right next to Academy, closest to, well, Fleming Island.
Okay, next one.
I mean Orange Park.
Park first, sorry. All right,
Whatever!
I'll go. We got some McDonald's French fries. I mean, they don't have to say McDonald's. I just like McDonald's, so these are McDonald's French fries.
Anyways,
I love this pop-up. Hold on. Different on this side. Because it looks cool. Okay, bring it out.
alright, so these two last Pop-Its, these ones, they're really special. This one is my first Pop-It. It sounds so good. And then, yeah, I have a whole pile. But besides that, I also have a bag like this big filled to the top. And this is one of my Pop-Its are from a state tournament we went to during an all-star team.
Oh my gosh, wait.
We went
Lake
to
City?
state
Lake
tournament.
City? Wait, which one?
Lake City.
Yeah, no, but which Pop-It?
This one.
Oh, wait.
I got it at Five Below.
I remember that
A
one.
shout out to Five Below. They have
Shout
the
out to
best
5 in Lake City.
They had the best fidget toys there.
I have this.
Also, check out Learning Express if you live in Massachusetts.
Massachusetts, baby.
Okay, anyways.
Okay, I got Rubber Ducky, you're the one. Rubber Ducky, so much fun.
Wow.
Alright, I got Rubber Ducky. It's a jumbo, I think.
I have no
Jumbo.
idea.
It's a jumbo compared to this one. Jumbo. We got 2 jumbos.
Wow, I never actually thought of that one as a jumbo.
Again.
Alright, come on. Get with it, lady.
Oh, okay. Hold on. I love that puppet. Alright.
She's addicted.
And then my next one, I have, well, she has. I'm just doing this video because she has lots of fidgets.
Because I begged her.
Yeah. Pretty much. They're cupcake. With literally like all my favorite colors on it. And you got a heart, which kind of reminds me of gators. Shout out to you.
Nice.
Bye-bye.
Alright,
Alright,
and
now on to
we're gonna do...
string balls.
Okay.
String balls.
Hey guys, so my parents asked if we could go take the puppy out for a bit.
You guys probably can't really see anything because it's so different outside.
Hey,
This is little puppy, and little puppy needs to go. Oh my goodness, you did not move.
little
that.
puppy's name is Zara. She's 6 weeks and about
Zara,
2
go
days
potty.
old.
Go potty. Don't go near mean kitties. Oh my goodness. Go potty.
No one can hear.
Once you're done, I'm going to carry you back inside because I love you.
Bro, you gotta use it.
Dude, you
Go.
potty. You use potty? You want to use potty? Use potty. Can you use potty? Hey, Daisy. Say hi, Daisy. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. There. Go potty. Oh, good girl. Good girl. We're not going to record you doing this. There's a cat. There's Cat. There's Daisy. Daisy. Hi. Hi, Daisy. Zara. Hi. Zara, what are you doing? It's kind of hard to film out here, guys. But it's so dark and I'm trying my hardest. Zara, come on. Daisy, be nice. Daisy, no. No treats yet. All that stays in the middle. Sorry. Say hi. The cat's just over here watching. We actually don't know who's... No. Daisy. Alright, y'all. Cat's trying to eat the treats. I don't know where he went. It's not your treat. You know that, right? Let's go potty. Come on, Daisy. Go pee-pee. Dog's right there and right there. Say hi. Hey. That's a cat. Good girl. Alright, y'all. That's a side note.
Today with us, we got a special guest, Sarah. Sarah came to join us, and
Also, Daisy's behind the camera.
yeah, Daisy's back there.
Hey, come here, puppy, puppy. I'm fussing around with Fidgets because I am on dog patrol.
I'm your mom.
Daisy is right behind the camera. Actually,
No,
Daisy's at the door right now.
These are. I'll tell you the review of these because these are so good. Oh, she looked in. Like, I want to be in.
Zara. Okay, girl. Okay, girl. Calm down.
This looks delicious.
Girls? Girl, stop eating cakes. Those aren't for doggies. Are for doggies. Not
5
for
star.
dogs. Oh, is this ours? Is this ours?
Yeah.
Is this ours or is this mine? That's Daisy, guys. This is Daisy. Say hi, Daisy.
Nope.
I showed you guys both of the dogs outside. So this is Daisy if you didn't see her in the darkness. Oh, señor. Okay. Okay.
Yes, this is so good.
That looks good. Alright. I'm gonna try mine. Okay? You wanna sit in my lap?
You can sit with me on the phone.
You don't go.
You can come over here. Okay.
You sit here, and then when I'm done, you finish. And come over. So, another side note, we have. Apparently,
How does he like me?
this is a lot of work. So we need a drink. Girl,
Look at me. Stay still. Rock-a-bye baby in a
we stick
treetop.
together.
Oh, okay. No, you ain't leaving me. Ow, stop biting me. Owie. Bro, let go of my bracelet. Gotta take it off. Ugh. It has puppy breath on it.
Sponsor me.
Stop. What did I do?
Okay.
Oh, she likes you, seriously? Get over here.
She's like, new human. Look at the backstory behind these two dogs.
I've had Daisy. Rodney. Whatever. I've had Daisy for 8 or 9 years.
Oh my goodness.
Bro! 8 or 9 years. 8 or 9 years?
This puppy just came in last night.
We're planning on naming her Zara. tell us in the comments if you think that's a good name. Because it's too late now. We're already getting her collar. So,
And you can't because comments are turned off. I have no idea why. No idea why. But if they're not, I mean, if they are turned on, then comment down below if you think ours is a good name.
I wanted it to be Valeria.
You love me.
Ow, stop! I'm not your teething. Yeah, eat her. I love dogs, but sometimes it can be
Daisy,
a pain
what are
in
you
the butt.
doing? Daisy was flexible.
Like, ow.
Daisy would scratch her back with her head. Let me just put it
Like,
that way.
ow.
I couldn't even do that. I can
No, you don't.
Okay.
Oh, no. We gotta keep these bitches. No.
Come here.
No. She's mine. She likes me better. Even though she came running to you, but besides that, I got a
Fidget.
mini Squishamallow.
We're on the stress balls right now. So we have many squishamallows.
Donuts.
Donut.
I got bomb.
Literally a bomb.
I got a baseball. A softball, which is her favorite toy.
And it's not even hers.
Yeah, you play with that.
Oh, wait, don't eat it.
No, it's fine. Eat it. Okay, well, we also got this. Shout out to Sky28, Skyo something else. Make sure to subscribe to her too. She gave me this
I love this.
because it's been 2 years now that we've been best friends.
It's been like 1 year now. Oh, we've been this one. I think.
Stay.
Well, since the
Okay.
first year, can you from me, like the second year.
Ear broke.
Oh, we have
We
this,
got-
by the way.
Stop. Play.
Throw
Play
it.
with the ball. All right. You know what?
Come here.
No. All right, there. Play with the ball. Nope. Play with the ball. I said. I will put you back in your
I'll
cage.
do-
Ow! You hurted me.
So we have
No. I wish you guys can see that. I'm so sorry.
I wish you guys could see that.
Oh my
She
God.
was flying up in the air. Okay, you have this monkey noodle. Then we forgot to show the other monkey noodles.
I'm so sorry.
She's like, I don't like noodles.
Now how's she gonna protect me from my enemies?
That's what she's
But right
doing.
now she's too cute.
She's
See?
too cute.
She
Take screenshots right now, guys. Screenshots.
Screenshots.
Right now.
Delicious. What a delicious camera.
Alright.
Little baby, don't make
All right.
word.
Now we have this little thing.
I can fly. It's a DNA stress ball.
I have one
can
of
fly.
these too.
Woo. Wait, you ready? It's gonna go.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my. I feel so bad for this puppy.
She's like,
She said no.
She's like, twisting on.
She said no. Like, leave me alone.
We have this thing.
Eat it if you want it. Eat it if you want it. Eat it if you want it. Okay,
This
no.
video's gone so wrong.
No, she is.
We have
I
this.
never.
Listen, guys, wait. Shh.
Another teddy bear from Sky28, Skyo, something else.
I love this.
Narwhal.
Wait,
Probably gone in it.
guys, you need to tell me. Do you say narwhal or narwhal?
Narwhal.
I say narwhal. So people tell me like, no, it's narwhal. I'm like, it's narwhal. And they're like, it's
I'll say
narwhal.
both. Bro, eat this. No, don't eat that. Okay, we got these thingies that I tried to turn into globbles.
I actually don't know where they went.
Stop licking my thigh. He's licking my knee. He's licking my knee. No. I got a ramen squishy. I got a container for the squishamallow, and I guess. And I got a donut. And I.
Wow.
Now you can't even see us. Face reveal.
Please reveal.
Also, my puppy's favorite toy.
Wait, hold on.
Stop licking.
As you guys can see, like.
Oh my gosh. He's licking right here. Oh my gosh, it hurts. It tickles.
I found.
All right,
more.
now time for mochis.
Oh, mochi time. I thought we were gonna do the other one, but apparently not.
No, we're doing mochis.
Okay, we're doing.
So I gotta introduce y'all all of them, name by name. I'll go quick. This one does not have a name. This one is Bluey. This one's Glitzy. Not Glizzy.
Glitz.
This is Unny. Because it's a bunny, but it lost its ears thanks to my cousin. And then we got a twin. Don't have a name. Rebecca Rabbit. Bunny Corn. Uni. Pandy. Ellie.
The elephant. Oh my gosh, I actually didn't.
Doggo. Stop biting my bracelet.
Wait, oh my gosh, wait, hold on. Is this one the one that got stuck up on the roof?
Yes.
Wait, this is the one that got stuck up on the roof?
No, wait, no, one of the other ones got stuck up on the roof.
Oh.
This is Fred. He's like a pretty big deal around here. Admire it for like a second. Okay, we're good now. What is that?
It's a bug! It's literally like a centipede. I think it's a centipede. I don't really know what a centipede is.
I'll show it to my dog. Just do this. Wait, no, wait. Do this, okay?
No, I'm good.
No!
I'm good.
I will shove it in your I want to get a bit of recording time to myself.
Just kidding. I'm
Okay,
scared
what
to go
are
back
you
and watch this footage.
Same. So, we got Smiley. Another shout out to Sky28. Right, Ellie. Ika. Random Ellie.
Oh.
Penguin. Draggy.
Nice.
One of the popular kids.
Guys, comment down
We
below.
got Dino.
Comment down below if you guys know what this thing is. It's
It's a
like
penguin.
Oh, it's a blob.
We got Baby Bear. Pretty big deal. We got Dino, which is Dino's BFF.
Oh, I would have called them brothers.
Alright, and you know what? We're gonna go through this fast. Big shout out to my uncle. Thank you. Alright, and then we got this thing.
I have this one.
Narwhal.
Narwhal.
Ew, it's still wet from the pool. And that was last week. Stop. That hurts.
The dog's just chilling down here.
Also,
guys.
he's a really big deal around here. Charlie the chick.
Charlie the chick is such a big deal. Hey, you guys don't
We got
know.
Gracie the Great, big deal. We got Lily, what a big deal.
Yes, obviously.
We got Corn, which is Uni best friend. It completes himself. Another shout out to Sky28.
I have this one, but I like made a hole in the middle of the bottom. Because I got,
Alright,
I got bored in class, so I just started fidgeting.
we got my dudes. Yeah, that's all.
In 4th grade.
We got
My dude.
what's up with that? That's my question.
What's
Alright,
up
we
with
got
that?
a sun.
I'm
a
like way
red
behind.
sun.
I have a yellow sun.
Also, my question is, do y'all think the sun is red, orange, or yellow?
Red. Why did you ask that question?
Because I kind of think it's gray. I'm just kidding. I think it's oranges.
Did you take this one?
Yes. Alright, we got Daisy.
My finger's all wet now.
Alright, and then we got another one of
What's
these.
this?
Oh, another big deal. Sharky. We got another random Ellie. Another random Ellie. Pandy.
Wait, you already had a candy.
Another one. Alright, and we got a Hatchimal,
Guys,
which
wait,
is
hold
top
on.
one.
Guys, panty number 1, panty number 2.
Also, this is the biggest deal
What?
out of all of them. Girdle. Like, I've never seen a mochi like him, so he's
Literally
now.
the biggest deal.
Yeah.
I love these grapes. This is exactly
Also,
what
look,
I did to my unicorn.
eyeballs.
This is what I did to my unicorn, guys. Look. So this is a grapes. What I did to my unicorn. And I would just sit there like this in class and go.
All right, time to clean up all these mochis. Mochi container, we go.
All right. We gotta get the rest.
Right. Hey guys, Paige is sick with the flu. Paige is sick with the flu, I said. Paige is just, never mind. Just kidding.
All right,
I
guys,
wanted to.
we got more things. We got an
She's
infinity
going to like me
cube.
again.
Got an infinity
She didn't know what it was called.
cube. Yeah, I did. What are you talking about?
You said, what is this called? It's a, whatever I have in my hand. See? Oh yeah, you like my nails? They haven't been done like since 2 weeks ago. I like pedicures. I just can't pay for them. I'm too lazy to.
Infinity cube.
Anyways,
All right,
he's trying to like me again. Are you ready?
This kind of stuff, y'all. The little bead inside of it.
Bro, what did you do? What? Oh, whoa. How did that
I
happen?
don't know how that happened.
Oh my
I
god.
picked it up and it was stuck. All right, we have this. Oh, we already showed this.
Yeah. Oh,
Wait, did we show this? Yeah.
yes.
We have.
Alright, anyways, we got a Rubik's Cube, a marble mesh. We got another homemade fidget, which I forgot about. You ready? Snake!
Oh my goodness, see the puppy!
Don't run away. Don't run away. Hey, man! That's...
Hey puppy! Hey puppies! My arm's stuck.
Alright, so now that I got Paige's arm too. Okay, now that I don't have Paige's arm anymore.
No, she doesn't have her anymore, y'all.
We got that.
We
Okay,
literally have
so-
no other fidgets, do we?
I have no idea how long this video is, but
Me either. I'll still want to splice it all together. Alright guys, so video is done. I hope you enjoyed it. And make sure you guys hit that like button if
in the face.
in the face. If you think baby puppy is adorable.
Make sure to smash that like button
Hit the subscribe button
in the face.
in the face. And go check her channel out at
Hashtag Skittles77. Yay. Exclamation point.
exclamation point.
Hoo-yah. Hoo-yah.
And we'll see you guys later. Bye!